Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel, to another episode of Look What the Postman Brought Me. Actually this time the postman didn't bring me anything. I either had to go and get it myself or it was brought to me by friends. So what we got? We got a big box. We got a bucket of parts. We got a bag of parts. And some decals. Okay, so let's start with the decals. Have a look at these. These are pretty awesome. It's some sponsorship or Tamiya stuff. We got the TRF, we got Dynatech, we got Act Power, Hop Up. It's a lot of cool stickers here. Next one. I don't think I'm gonna go through all of these parts, but I can just show you one of it. So what this is the FO2 parts. So it's for the Rising Storm. If you have seen my video of my RC cars where I talk about my the Rising Storm, it was used and had quite a lot of the worn underneath. So I thought that when my friend Kim put this up for sale, I just had to have it. So, and the rest of this is also part for the DFO2. So I'm not sure what all this is, but yeah, there's, like you can see, suspension arms and stuff. So, and there's a bumper. So very good to when I'm going to restore my Rising Storm and not use it anymore for running, then this will be perfect. Okay, so for the next one, I think we're gonna have a look on the bucket. Yeah, here you can see a bucket full of parts. You got some Porsche 959 slick tires, and the reason why it's in the bucket is because I went to get these. Oh, I guess the foam tires don't like water that much. Okay, it's in water because the guy I bought it from was a smoker, and I'm sorry, but the parts just I don't know, stunk, I think you call it. It was awful, and I just had to try to get it away. So this has actually been in the water for over a week now. And we got Formula 1 body as well. So I guess you wonder what's in the box. This is kind of the grand finale. I saved it the best for last. What this is something huge. If I turn this box, you can have a look on that. Yeah, a TRF 801 XT, the Nitro Truggy from Tamiya. And here it is. Look at this beast. It's enormous. And so it's a nitro powered car, but I guess some of you saw the speed run of the world record for the TRF my friend had. And once we were out running that, it was so awesome, and I just had to get myself the same car. And this car has been up for sale locally for a very long time, and actually the ad was down from the page, but I have saved it. So I went in and asked him if he would sell it to a little less than he was asking, and yeah, he was in for it. So here we have it. And I think he said that he had only run the motor for like half an hour, and yeah, it doesn't have any warn, so I'm not sure if he'd driven the car actually. So yeah, so here you can see. So this will go, don't need that, probably don't need that. I'm gonna convert this into electric, as I'm not that fond of nitro. Yeah, so what do you think? Is this gonna be awesome? Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be really good. And okay, just before we end this, I'll give you a size comparison. TT01 801 XT. Look at this. 1 to 10, 1 to 8 scale. It's crazy. Okay, so that's it for now. That's what I got of stuff the latest weeks. And make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this car, of this one. It's gonna be probably a series of videos with it, converting it into a brushless one, and of course some running videos where I give it a try. So yeah, thanks for watching, and take care, have fun, and I'll see you on the next one.